Today we're on the 2022 Seadoo GTX 300 Limited, and we're at beautiful Lewis and Clark Lake in Yankton, South Dakota. And I just wanted to go over a quick little overview and my opinion on this jet ski after using it for a few hours now. The biggest takeaway, I guess, from this jet ski over any of the other jet skis I've owned in the past is comfort. These seats, this is a 3-seat jet ski. These are extremely comfortable, even for riding multiple passengers. They're very soft, and when you're out on the water, this is something that you could go out, I feel like all day and still have very good comfort. This one, of course, has the audio package, and that's another one of my favorite features, because when you're cruising along, even at, call it 20-30 miles an hour, half volume on the stereo, you can still perfectly hear your music. So that's really cool, and it has some good bass too. A little console here where you can put your phone. That's waterproof. You can hook it directly if you want to use their app for navigation, like if you're in open ocean or something like that. And then also underneath, this is probably the best part about these Seadoos, is that it has a very large, very deep storage area. So whether you want to throw a cooler in there or other, towels, items like that. I also have my bumpers, fenders, clip-on fenders. That's an attachment that I would recommend getting for these. Clips on right here and right there. And in conjunction with the speed ties, so those retractable bungee ropes, those are the best way to dock your boat without having to worry about any sort of scratches or anything like that. And I have yet to get myself one of the link accessories, but it does have these little pull-out lock-in type tabs in the back, and there's a whole list of different coolers, gas tanks, all kinds of other stuff that you can get for these. So I'm really excited to get some hours put on this, and after a couple months or so I will do a full review. Thanks.